At Cleanstreak, we believe in providing eco-friendly service, so we've engineered a means to use 70% less water and ensure that toxic wastewater is treated to save the environment. Our custom equipment produces a superior clean, powerfully and consistently. It always collects over 90% of the water, removes up to 98% of toxic chemicals, and recycles it for reuse up to 4 times per day. The result? We save water and keep toxins out of the environment. Got a job you want done right? Call us. We are Cleanstreak, power washing perfected.